I have a problem, and that problem has to do with umbrellas. Now this problem of mine is quite simple. Every time I hold an umbrella, I spin it. Why do I spin it? I don't know. But because I love spinning umbrellas, why not make it electric? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it electric. It's not going to be all electric, because why make something all electric when the mechanical version works just fine? So the umbrella I'm going to be using is this one. It's not my choice of umbrella, but it has multiple colors, and multiple colors is great because you have to see it to believe it. So all these colors will allow you to see it. So let's get to it. I'm going to be using a pulley to join the umbrella and motor together. The first step is removing the umbrella handle. Once that has been removed, I'm going to apply the pulley. Then I'm going to add a little bit of super glue. After the super glue has been added, I'm going to insert the motor shaft. Then I'm going to tighten down the two Allen keys on the pulley. Once that has been tightened, the motor and umbrella are finally joined together. Then I just have to add the speed controller to the motor and then connect the battery, and we got ourselves a cool umbrella. The speed controller and the battery and the receiver are in the back, so it's now connected. As you can see, now I have the umbrella. Now all I have to do is just open it up and it's ready to go, as you can see. So let's get to testing.